All right, so we're reviewing solving quadratics by taking square roots. So I'm going to give you an example, and we're going to do those examples before you get that taking that quiz redo, or maybe you just want to do a quick review of how to do it. X squared take away 9 equals 0. Write it down. How would I solve that? Notice there's no linear term. There's no term in the middle. It's a binomial subtracting. I'm going to add 9 to the other side, and then I'm going to solve this by taking the square root. You need to know the answer could be positive or negative. It's actually very connected to a difference of squares. So the answer could be positive or negative, and the square root of 9 is 3, and you solved it. That's what we're doing. Sometimes see a number here. All right, so sometimes you have to combine like terms. So subtract 10 and then square root. Sometimes there's a fraction involved. So again, write it down. How am I going to solve this for x squared? Add 49 and then divide by 4. So we added 49, added 49, divide by 4, square root. Now, 49 divided by 4, it's a fraction. When you square root a fraction, you square root the top. What number times itself is 49, and what number times itself is 4. You have your answer. I should take something to drink. Even on a short video, it's coughing. Here we go, number 4. Last one. What happens let me do 2 examples. What happens here, write this down, when you subtract 20 and divide by 2, what happens when you have the square root of a negative number when you get to that point? What would you write down? So the square root of a negative number, you would write down no real solution. All right, last one here. Could you solve this? Add 5. Next, divide by 4. So when you divide by 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now square root. The answer is positive or negative. There is no number times itself that's 5, so you just leave it as a square root of 5. All right, there's your quick review. Good luck on the quiz if you're taking it. Mr. G Math, over now.